Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let you say praise and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing and pleasure, I can talk a little about a quite interesting topic, namely the global food crisis. The Honorable Mr. Afik is a lecturer in English course and not forgetting all viewers who I also respect and love. Hope you all are healthy and happy. Amin ya Allah ya Rabbal Alamin. Previously, I am allowed to introduce myself. I am Ahmad Nurdiansah, a student majoring in agriculture at Polbangtan, Bogor. Happy viewers, we all know that food is the most important factor for the sustainability of human life. Currently, the food crisis and the dangers of hunger are looming over the world. The Minister of Agriculture of the Republic Indonesia revealed that there have been 60 countries experiencing food crisis, and 40 of them are in fairly severe condition. The global food crisis began with the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic over the last 2 years. The pandemic problem has not yet been resolved. Climate change has occurred in various parts of the world, including food-producing countries. In addition, the impact of the Ukraine-Russia war made the food crisis worse, because these two countries are world producers of wheat and fertilizer. The impact of soaring wheat and fertilizer prices is felt throughout the world. In particular, Indonesia needs to strengthen its seed belts so that it is ready to face a food crisis that may occur. This was also expressed by the Minister of Agriculture that the threat of a food crisis was in sight. For that, we must be ready to face it. Of course, releasing food availability, there are keys to releasing food availability, namely securing supply, food diversification, and efficiency. Regarding supply, there is a directive from the President of Joko Widodo, namely to maintain the worsening and off-taker. Regarding food diversification, it must include marine protein and aquaculture, so that Indonesia depends on import of one commodity can be reduced. Then, by looking at the vast agricultural land in Indonesia, there needs to be a push to increase the efficiency and productivity of agricultural product. The campaign regarding local food diversification in Indonesia needs to be echoed. The aim is to increase food security by paying attention to resources, institutions, and culture as well as local wisdom. Furthermore, food diversification can reduce dependence on one agricultural commodity. Thus, local food diversification can help deal with the impact of the global food crisis. Happy viewers, the need for food is getting higher and higher along with the higher human population in the world. For that, we need preparation because the global food crisis is no longer a threat but has become a reality. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.